Hey guys, how's it going? OnionMan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at actually another microphone. I had another company send me this one as well. This is a company called Movo. This is another USB microphone, condenser USB microphone. It is the UM700. So yeah, let's see what's inside. And it's totally encased in this like nice soft foam, which is a good good start. Wow, okay. This is actually a really nice microphone. Okay. So, got quite a few things in here. Get rid of the box here. We got a little not happy little booklet thing. It has all their like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever phone numbers if you want to call in case you're not happy with the product. Comes with a sticker. That's kind of cool. And then you also get a user manual, which is not quite as big as the fine mic I did, but it still has lots of information in here. Plenty for what you need. Yeah, so that's that. Don't think I'm gonna need that, but we will see. Let's pull the microphone out here. We got a cable. It looks like it's just a regular USB cable. So that's kind of a good thing, because if you'll ever lose the cable, you can just use whatever cable you have. Now granted, this is a very long cable. There's like lots of extra here, so they're probably thinking if in case you're running it under a desk or around a bunch of different furniture or something, then you just have a lot to go. So that's nice. And we got the microphone, which has a squished pop filter because they put it upside down. That's kind of a bummer, not gonna lie. Anyways, you get a pop filter with it, and then you get this microphone, which actually is very large. This is a massive microphone. Hi-yi-yi. And there's a lot more to this microphone. This kind of reminds me of the Blue Yeti. I feel like this would be in competition with that. It's about the same size. I'm pretty sure. I've never actually seen one in person, but I'm pretty sure it's basically in the same category. So this one has your min and max here on your volume. It has a mute function, so you can hit that to mute. And also on the back side, you have different patterns. Okay. I'll have to look up and see what that means. And then you have your min and max for your gain. So there's a lot more features on this microphone. And then the fact that it comes with this built-in stand. Now obviously you could probably take this off of here. You could probably unscrew this and then put your microphone on a boom arm if you really want to do that. That probably would work, because it looks like there's actually a mounting spot underneath. There's some threading right on the bottom, in that big hole in the bottom, as well as the USB to power it, and a headphone jack on the bottom as well. So there is a lot of different things on this microphone. And it is all metal, stand included. I think the only plastic on here is the knobs on the sides, and then on all the different gain and volume. So yeah, that's a really nice microphone from what I can see. I'm gonna go grab my other fine one and just measure the size difference. This is the fine microphone, just the mic part. So we won't include the stand with this just because this one has the stand built kind of into it. And this is the Movo one. So it is like basically where this textured stuff starts is where this fine mic ends. So this is a very large mic, but it kind of feels like it's a little better quality too. So we will have to see. So yeah, that is kind of the quick unboxing here of this Movo UM700. I'm gonna also do a sound test on this thing. I'll test it compared to the shotgun mic I'm using right now, and then I'll also actually test it against the fine one as well, just for reference with similar mics. So yeah, let's just jump over to my computer and we'll get that done. So I just want to talk to you guys about this pattern spot here on the table before I go test the microphone. This little knob on the back here. It has two different spots. On the left side, on this side, it has a spot that's made for just general noise, like it captures kind of the sides and everywhere. And then the other one, which one was in the booklet, is number 11 here. Yeah, so the one on the other side, on the right side, it's kind of a little 8 there. It is for picking up the front and the back. So it's good for, they say, for like instruments and stuff, one-on-one, like if you're like doing kind of like a podcast type thing where you have one person on each side. It kind of works good that way. Also on the bottom, this is a 5/8 thread, in case you want to screw in like some kind of other arm or something, just so you guys know. And then also this USB thing, I managed to already bend it. It is obviously not the best quality micro USB. I already bent the end off, so I'll have to just use one of my other cables. Not a huge deal, but not the greatest cable. Okay guys, so just gonna test the mics here now. I have the Movo one set up. I'm gonna do that one second. First we're gonna just go with this shotgun mic I'm using right now. Put my hand right here because I can block my face. Anyways, we're gonna use the shotgun mic. So testing 1 2 3. Hello, Onion Man here. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. How's this sound, guys? And now we're gonna switch to the Movo mic. Hey guys, how's it going? Onion Man here. And today we'll be taking a look at this Movo mic here. Testing 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. How's it going, guys? Okay. That's from close by. This is from a little bit farther away, guys. Just sitting on my desk off to the side here. I have the gain probably about halfway, and then the volume about halfway. I'm going to test the mute on it. There is a little red light, so if it actually worked, then that is good. I'm gonna switch over to the other microphone now, the fine one that I did for a different video. Hey guys, Onion Man here, and this is the fine mic that I did a video on. I will put a link to this down in the description if you guys want to check that one out as well. These are both also with no filter on them, so no pop filters or anything, just straight the mic itself. Testing 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5. Hey guys, how's this sound? And then I'll do it a little bit farther away on my desk again as well. This is what it sounds like when it's sitting about the same distance as the other one on my desk. So yeah, that is the fine microphone. That is the Movo UM700. I want to thank Movo for sending this mic to me. That's awesome. Looks like a great mic, sounds pretty good. Has lots of different options on it, so looking forward to using it in future videos. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell icon. Just to let you know that I'm uploading a new video. If you guys like this microphone, I will put a link down in the description for you guys, as well as that fine one as well. As always, I will see you guys in the next video.